Orondis just got registration. We're very excited. It's a new product that will be very useful for potato growers across the U.S., especially those who are impacted by late blight on a big, large level. Very effective at very low rates. We're talking rates of as low as 1.5 ounces per acre. It's a product that's very systemic in the plant, so when it contacts the plant, it goes into the plant very quickly. It protects both the top and the bottom of the leaf, and actually moves through the leaf upwards through the xylem, and it's been shown to protect new growth on a plant. So that, therefore, if you're talking to a potato grower who's in there typically on a late blight program, maybe 5 to 7 day interval, Orondis Opti will allow growers to extend that interval to almost 14 days. Right now it's up to 14 days on the label. So there's a cost savings, time savings for growers. We're really excited on that particular point, because growers typically are really, large growers especially, are often faced with a problem of not being able to protect their fields fast enough because the intervals are so short. Orondis Opti will allow growers to actually have more time to get across their field and still protect their plants from late blight. Really important when plants are growing actively in the season, where you've got a lot of unprotected growth typically, and this product will allow some of that protection later on, after application. Orondis, the active ingredient, oxythiopyprilin, is actually unique. It's in a new frac group all by itself. It's frac U15, and it's the only one there. So what this means is that, of course, it's a novel mode of action. Late blight has been known in the past to develop a resistance to some of the chemistries out there. If we can go back, we can remember a product that was very active on late blight, mefenoxam. It developed resistance to that product. There are races of late blight that are resistant to that chemistry. This particular product right now is unique, so there's no cross resistance with any chemistry out there to any late blight strains that we have out there. So that's another positive of Orondis, is that there's no resistance right now. Now the flip side of that, of course, is it's a single site product, which means resistance management is going to be very important to preserve the effectiveness of this product. And that's one reason why we have Orondis Opti, where we've combined Bravo, which is a multi-site product, with Orondis. And so it's a built-in resistance program for growers, making it easy for them to manage resistance, and it also preserves the activity of the Orondis component. So it's a win-win for both the active ingredient and for growers, because it makes it easy for them to build a resistance management program into their late blight program.